GNSS Walking Tour 궁능성시길 걷기여행 Course 2 Summary Seoul's second course of GNSS walking trail begins at Changdeokgung, which is the only palace in Korea designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. After passing through Donamun Gate, we look around Injeongjeon, Seonjeongjeon, Hejeongdang, and Daejojeon Hall, and visit Nakseonje for the last stop of Changdeokgung. And we move to Changgyeonggung Palace, located right next to it. In Changgyeonggung, we visit Tongmyeongjeon, where the story of King Sukjong and Jang Il-bin was involved, and Munjeongjeon, where the tragedy of Prince Sado, who was the father of King Jeongjo, was occurred, and visit Chundangji Pond and Botanical Garden, and visit Gyeongmogung site, which is the shrine of Crown Prince Sado, located in Seoul University Hospital. Next, we visit Maronie Park and Ihwa Village, located around Haewa Station, and then walk toward Hungin-jimun Gate, the eastern gate of Hanyang-dosang. Lastly, move to Changsin Market to taste the famous spicy jokbal and experience the traditional culture of the market. Finally, our tour finished at Dongdaemun Station.